Welcome back to a new session of the MOOC on Information Security. The topic here is Tripwire. We have been talking about information or cyber security in all the previous modules. We have learned different types of mechanisms to defend various types of attacks possible on our information. Now we will see an automated general view of operational, regulatory and security agreement across the dynamic data center. It then provides independent proof that the IT infrastructure is in its expected state and that the processes used to control configuration changes are effective. Tripwire is such a tool that aids system administrators and users in monitoring a designated set of files for any changes. Used with system files on a regular or example daily basis, Tripwire can notify system administrators of corrupted or tampered files, so damage control measures can be taken in a timely manner. Traditionally, an open source tool, Tripwire Corp is now focused on their commercial enterprise configuration control offerings. Tripwire is a file integrity checker. The system was developed in 1992 by Jenny Kim and Dr. Jonas Spafford at Purdue University. Since 1999, Tripwire Incorporation has further developed the application as Tripwire Enterprise. The Tripwire open source project was launched in 2002 and uses Tripwire sources from 2000 as its basis. According to Tripwire Incorporation, the Tripwire program is suitable for small networks that do not require centralized management and reporting capabilities. Tripwire Enterprise is a security configuration management or SCM suite that provides fully integrated solutions for policy, file integrity and remediation management. Organizations can use these solutions together for a complete end-to-end SCM solution or use its file integrity monitoring or policy management solutions on their own address today's pressing security and compliance challenges, while building a foundation that positions them to address tomorrow's. The suite lets IT security, compliance and IT operations teams rapidly achieve a foundational level of security throughout their IT infrastructure by reducing the attack surface, increasing system integrity and delivering continuous compliance. Plus, because Tripwire Enterprise integrates with enterprise applications to automate workflow with additional security point solutions like SIEMs and change management tools, organizations can broaden their security worldview and gain even greater efficiencies. A key IT enterprise security and compliance solution, Tripwire Enterprise supports a detect, respond and prevent strategy by detection of cyber threats and possible breach activity by highlighting possible indicators of compromise. Response to deviations with high value, low volume alerts with guidance on what to do to return the system to a non-secure state. Prevention through adapting and prioritizing threats and change deviations to maintain a consistently hardened and objective view of overall security posture across all devices and systems. Importance of Tripwire software. Tripwire's perspective is such that 4 general truths exist in our common industry. Threat agents have evolved. The people behind today's breaches are no longer simply making statements, they are stealing intellectual property or money. Systems complexity continues to increase over time. Not 5 years ago, the cloud was just forming, and not 2 years ago, BIOD wasn't a really big deal. Dynamism of situational awareness increasing. Motivated and resourceful threat agents take advantage of systems complexity and change tactics often. We must defend against many attacks when the threat agent need only realize one. This makes situational awareness more fluid than it used to be. our qualified resources are scarce. We simply do not have enough qualified information security resources to combat our collective adversary. Consequently, we believe that the strategy and tactics we use as defenders must necessarily focus on operational loss minimization using processes that rely on tools that act as force multipliers, means enable information security personnel to act as more than one, and embed information security domain knowledge, which means let a few do common work, then put that knowledge into the tools to be leveraged appropriately. Automate it. Wherever possible, automation must be used to decrease our reaction time and the adversary's window of opportunity. Share information. Tools should interoperate and cooperate as much as possible out of the box, and they should be configured to share information with partners and appropriate authorities, that is ISAC, CERT, CSIRT, a user community. Attackers usually try to contaminate a hijacked system with trojans, backdoors, and manipulated files. Tripwire helps to prevent this problem by encrypting information such as checksums, file sizes, mtime, ctime, inode, etc., and important directories and files, and storing the information in a database. The program then compares these identifying parameters with the properties of the monitored files and notifies the admin of any deviations. Ideally, everything is fine and the report is concise. Slightly longer reports occur when files have been altered intentionally or unintentionally. Operating on this principle offers the advantage that you can make the comparison discreetly on a regular basis or upon suspicion of a break-in. The IDS uses very few system resources and is thus not usually noticeable as a running process. False alarms occur relatively infrequently. Administrators usually know that Tripwire is monitoring their servers and they can quickly update its database or determine whether they are responsible for a reported change. Of course, Tripwire cannot warn the admin while a potential attack is taking place. It can only log to consequences. Once Tripwire sends a message about an unauthorized change to the administrator, the assumption must be that the attack was successful. Tripwire capabilities. Tripwire Cyber Integrity Suite includes the following capabilities to support wide-ranging industry standard frameworks and regulations. They are file integrity monitoring, configuration management, asset discovery, vulnerability management, and log collection. Tripwire product portfolio. Tripwire Enterprise. Tripwire Enterprise pairs the industry's most respected file integrity monitoring and security configuration management to provide real-time change intelligence and threat detection. For the compliance officer, it delivers proactive system hardening and automated compliance enforcement, resulting in a reduction of audit cycles and cost. Tripwire Enterprise delivers automation and guidance of rapid repair of broken or insecure misconfigurations. Tripwire IP360. Tripwire IP360 proactively discovers, profiles, and assesses the vulnerability risk of all wired and wireless devices on an organization's network. Tripwire IP360 enables fast detection of vulnerabilities, prioritization of risk, remediation of management through reporting and ticketing integrations, and risk prioritized exposure assessment. Tripwire Log Sender. Tripwire Log Sender provides secure and reliable log collection to add real-time intelligence to machine data with security analytics and forensics for rapid incident detection and response. Tripwire Log Sender integrates with your existing infrastructure and includes a growing library of available correlation rules that empower your team to monitor, detect and quickly respond to threats in your environment. Tripwire Configuration Compliance Manager CCM. Tripwire Configuration Compliance Manager automates continuous configuration and compliance assessment. With its agentless architecture, that is, no software to install on endpoints, management is simplified and cost effective. Integrated with other Bell Networks security solutions, Tripwire CCM provides new security capabilities for rapidly expanding industrial cybersecurity needs. Tripwire File Analyzer. Tripwire File Analyzer allows your team to assess if new files introduced in your environment include malware. Tripwire Connect. This is visualization and reporting platform for Tripwire Enterprise. Tripwire Expert Ops. Tripwire Expert Ops is a professional service offering that can help you get anything running rapidly and then maintain operations and synchronization with your internal staff. Better together. While each product in the Tripwire portfolio provides valuable capabilities in a standalone implementation, customers receive maximum value when they are integrated with each other or with third-party products to achieve faster and more accurate security and compliance in both IT and OT environments. Tripwire integrations with a wide array of third-party products offer a multitude of benefits and use cases in these distinct categories: threat intelligence, network security, analytics and security information and event management, that is SIEM, IT service management ITSM, integrated access management IAM, industrial control systems ICS, factory automation systems FAS, government risk compliance GRC and DevOps workflow tools. In this module, an overview of Tripwire is given in terms of its importance, strategies, capabilities and product portfolio. It helps to reduce risk with refined security monitoring and change detection. With ample visibility into changes on your network, Tripwire automates your foundational security controls and guides you through risk remediation. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you next time. Bye.